Interpretation of the charts. In this video, we will learn how to interpret core findings from the charts. When a chart is constructed, it could be examined for discernible insights. The heights of bars in the bar chart and areas of sectors in the pie charts are proportional to frequencies. Hence, more frequently occurring attributes can be readily spotted. A histogram for variable data can be studied from several facets. Presence or absence of a pattern. In the given figure, a pattern is obtained as the frequency initially increases, reaches a peak, and then gradually decreases. More precisely, data appears to center at the peak. Sometimes, multiple peaks occur indicating the absence of a pattern. When occupancy patterns differ in various seasons, this is to be expected. Use of different histograms for each season helps in identifying the pattern for that season. Degree of symmetry. In the given figure, data is skewed to the right. Hence, a greater tendency for values that exceed the average and peak occupancy rate appear to occur. However, data can be symmetrical or skewed to the left, and these may be interpreted accordingly. Degree of spread. A narrow range in the spread indicates a low level of uncertainty in the occupancy rate. In contrast, a high degree of spread implies a high degree of uncertainty. Consequently, the demand for related services will also be uncertain. Centering of the data. The data tends to peak in the range 25 to 30. It is the modal class or the class with highest frequency. Relatively, room occupancy will be in this range more often. Presence of outliers. Extremely small or large values are usually treated as outliers. These can occur owing to unforeseen events like railway strikes and special events. These can be excluded from analysis when they are considered unrepresentative of typical patterns. A box plot chart is used to identify outliers in the data. When the extreme values are spaced far apart from the first or third quartile, they are likely to constitute outliers. The distance between the first and third quartile indicates the magnitude of variation. A scatterplot can be used to study the relationships between variables. When data is spread in a narrow band, the variables are related. If data is scattered, a lack of relationship is discernible. Similarly, relationships can be traced for three variables using a bubble chart. A bubble chart could be interpreted as follows: variations in the size of the bubble indicate large variations in the third variable.